In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create simple stairs in Blender. This is a quick, efficient method that gives you a clean, procedural-looking staircase from a single mesh using the bevel tool. Let's keep it simple and get great results fast. Start in Blender's default scene and add a base object. Press Shift plus A, go to Mesh and choose Cube. This cube is the foundation of the staircase, so think of it as the block you'll carve steps from. Keep it selected because we're going straight into editing. Press Tab to enter edit mode. Switch to edge select mode by pressing the 2 key or clicking the edge icon in the toolbar. Now rotate your view so you can clearly see the top of the cube. Click to select just one of the top edges. If you accidentally have more than one edge highlighted, press A to deselect everything, then click that single upper edge again. That one edge will define the direction and profile of the steps. With the edge selected, press Ctrl plus B to activate the bevel tool. Move your mouse to expand the bevel width. You'll see a smooth transition appear, but we'll turn it into stairs in a moment. While still in the bevel operation, scroll your mouse wheel up to increase the number of segments. Aim for somewhere around 10 to 20 segments, depending on how many steps you want. Don't worry about being exact yet, we'll fine-tune shortly. Look to the bottom left of the viewport for the bevel settings panel that appears right after you perform the bevel. In profile type, change the setting to steps. Instantly, that smooth bevel turns into a staircase-style profile, creating evenly spaced rises along the edge. Now adjust the details to your liking. The bevel width controls the height and depth of each step, so slide it until the proportions feel right. The number of segments determines how many steps you get. More segments mean more steps. If you want to change the overall size of the staircase, switch back to object mode and scale the cube as a whole. To refine the look, you can add a bevel modifier for slightly rounded edges, which helps catch light nicely and makes the model feel more realistic. If you need a longer run of stairs, add an array modifier to repeat the mesh along the axis you want. Finally, assign basic materials like wood, stone, or concrete to match your scene style, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Blender tips and tutorials.